Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be decorating Rosa and Athena's room. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much to Lowell for sponsoring this video. If you guys are not familiar with Lowell, they are a mattress company which delivers your mattress to your door. As you can see right now, these boxes right here were delivered, and I'm going to show you what is inside. So come on in to my home. I am so excited to be collaborating with Lowell. Rosa needed a mattress, so it was perfect timing. And you guys, my girls are getting so big. I cannot believe Gigi's already 10 months old. She is adorable. She recently started to try to walk. She's trying, but oh my goodness, check her out. She was my little model for this video. So now let me show you how easy it is to unbox this mattress in a box. My husband thought it was TikTok, so he tried to do a transition, but he failed.
Grab a little plastic. Watch it fill up. Lull. Lull to sleep.
I want.
The pillows, you guys, are so comfortable. One thing about the mattress, you have to give your mattress 24 hours to expand itself. And also, I am going to show you guys the bed sheets that they sent me. Cannot wait for Rosa to come in and see her new mattress. I think she's going to love it. It's going to be so comfortable. As you all know, she had surgery recently. Her old mattress, I mean, it was good and everything, but I was thinking of getting a new mattress. And then I got the chance to collaborate with Lowell, so I was so happy. I was like, yay! It was meant to be. I'll check back with you guys in 24 hours so that I can show you how the mattress looks. So these are the bed sheets that were sent to me. Oh my goodness, they are so soft. So soft. If you are interested, they do have mattress covers. Alright, you guys, I'm checking in. It has been already 24 hours. Here you have it. It has already expanded to its full potential. And it looks great. Thank you so much to Lowell for sponsoring this video. Now that you know how easy it is to install your own mattress and get it delivered to your home, I am going to start decorating and show you how this area will look. I hope you guys enjoy. The bed sheets were so soft, and the pillows were so comfortable, just as little Gigi. Here's my supermodel. Alright, so now we got the bed sheets on. I'm actually going to change the curtains, and then I'm gonna put a new comforter that I have for Rosa. Got this at Home Goods, but I'll link something similar down below. I think Gigi likes the new comforter. Do you like it, mommy? It's so soft. It looks really pretty. I am loving it. I wanted to keep all my decor budget friendly, so I decided to only purchase the comforter. I am using pillows that I had from last year, and they look really good. What I'm gonna do next is get rid of this lamp and add a Christmas tree for the girls. Alright, since we're gonna be decorating, I brought all of the decorations from the garage that I purchased for this tree. And so far we have the topper. Alright, I just added those ornaments on the top, and now we're gonna start decorating the tree. Ended up not using all the ornaments that I just showed you. We kept it very simple, and to be honest, it turned out so beautiful. The girls love their Christmas tree. On this clothing rack, I decided to add some of my dresses and of course my shoes, because why not? I have some fabulous shoes, you guys. This is the area that I created for the girls. I am loving it. This is a dream for me, and as a little girl, this is something I would have loved to have. I only saw it on magazines. And I'm really glad that I'm able to do things like this for my girls. We love anything girly, sparkly, and also if it has flowers, bring it my way. Oh no, actually polka dots. Polka dots are my favorite. Let me know in the comments down below if you like sequins for the holidays or for year round, because I go for year round. If you're interested in the clothing rack, I'll link it down below. For now, I plan on displaying their dresses like this. I just want to make it look really pink and girly. But as the girls get older, if they want to just style their outfits, this is going to be perfect. And also, a fashionista must always have a clothing rack. My most special item in this rack is this beautiful, cute little Hello Kitty shirt. I got that for Rosa when she was a baby. Rosa is already 11 years old, and all of my girls have worn it. This shirt is so valuable to me. I am so in love with all the little cute things that I got the girls. I'll link everything down below if you guys are interested. The clothing rack is a must-have. It's something that I have always loved. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. By the way, you guys, my Christmas tree was a hit. Super adorable. Head on over to my Instagram so that you can see how I decorated the tree. Thank you so much to Lol for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check out the description box, so if you want to order your own mattress, it will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you enjoyed the most about this video. Everything turned out beautiful. Thank you once again for watching, and happy holidays. I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Good morning, Rosa. Wake up here, Zizi. Wake her up. Rosa. I just want to ask you, how was your sleep?
It was good. I slept so well.
How do you like your new mattress?
I slept like a baby, so it's a win for me.
Awesome. Alright, we'll let you go back to sleep, Bosa, okay?